Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Simply Scuba 2-litre black tech dry bag. So this is our very own small compact little dry bag. It's designed on the blue dry bag with window that we sold previously, except now we've made a black version, so it's still just as light. It's exactly the same size, it's nice and compact. This is really for your essentials to throw sort of in your bag and keep them safe and dry inside. So the material itself is incredibly light. This only weighs a few grams. You have a traditional roll top sort of closure to keep the water out or keep the water in if you've got wet stuff inside of it. So roll top, you've got a couple of little attachment points. You've got a little clip with a little gate on that, so you can click that off onto something, and then you have a little sort of anchor point, so you can tie it off into a certain position. Undo those pinch clips, unravel it, and then inside you just have that big opening, so you can stow your important stuff like your phone, your radio, your keys, anything that you need to keep dry. If you're on, if it's sort of raining on the wet deck of a boat, lots of spray coming over, you want to keep your essentials dry and keep the salt water away from them, and this is the bag for you. So we've also put the window on the front again, just so that when you've got all your stuff inside of it, you don't want to be rummaging around too much with wet hands. So if you can see exactly where something is, you know it's in the bag, you know it's safe, and if you need to get it out, you know exactly how to get to it. So a handy little dry bag, nice and light, it's not going to take up any weight. It packs down completely flat as well, so it's not going to take up any space. This is the Simply Scuba 2-litre black tech bag. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.